Hello everyone, in this video we're going to quickly be talking about camera scenes and the features that a camera scene has. This is a scene that typically goes with another type of block or scene, so we'll be reviewing that in those specific tutorials. But for this one, we're just going to look at the camera scene and see what we can do with it. Let's go ahead and create an experience. We will style this experience really quick. I'll go into GiveYCat, type in dog, see what I can find. There we go, this dog character looks great. Now we'll type in camera scene here, and we'll add a button that says go to camera scene. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is add a camera scene from the add new menu. This is right here, the camera scene. Let's make sure that this is linked up here. And now let me just zoom in and we're going to explore everything a camera scene can do. So if we click on the camera scene, let's take a quick look in the right-hand menu and see what we find. So at the top we see our capture settings and we see front-facing camera. So this gives you the option to choose between the front-facing camera, aka the camera that points to your face, or the rear-facing camera, aka the camera that points directly in front of you. So depending on what you want to do, you can choose whether you want the front or rear-facing camera. Next we have this section down here that will let you choose between photo, video, or both photo and video. So again, this depends on the situation that you're looking for. If you want to upload video, you would choose video only. If you want to upload photos, you would choose photo only. And if you don't care, just select photo and video. Now, frame URL we're actually going to be talking about in just a second because we're going to be creating our own frame. You can input a frame URL from any hosted image, but I recommend that you actually go down here under the camera scene and create your own frame. A URL will appear on the side here once you do that. So let's click on Create Frame. And from this menu, you can see all of the different frames that you've created. You can also create your own frame by clicking on the Create Frame button up here. If you click on the button, you're taken to a canvas where you can begin building your frame. Now you can see that there are characters on the left-hand side. So you can click on a character and it will add the character to the camera frame. You can make that character bigger. You can rotate it. And then you can drag it and place it wherever you like. I'm going to place this cat here at the bottom. And let's go ahead and click on More and see what happens. So if we click on More, we're just taken to the character menu. This is where you can search for any character that is available in Metaverse. That includes characters that you've created. That includes characters that are available in the 2D, 3D, animated 3D, and GiveYCat stickers. Keep in mind that these three sections are actually not really going to work for a photo frame because it's just going to be a static image. So you're going to really want to stick to this 2D section here. Let's go ahead and add a birthday cake. We can see the birthday cake here. And I'll drag it down. I will move it right in front of the cat who is not amused about his birthday cake. And that is great. So now we can go ahead and click Save to save the camera frame. When we save the camera frame, you'll see that a preview of that frame has now appeared, and when you test out this experience, you will see that frame in your camera view. So lastly, it also has a transition control here in the right-hand menu. We're just going to set that to End Experience. And that's really all there is to it, to camera scenes. Again, we're going to be looking at camera scenes in a couple of other tutorials where we post to media walls, maybe use Google Vision, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I just wanted to show you what you can actually do within the camera scene. Let's go ahead and publish this experience so you can see it on your end. I'll call this tutorial camera scene. Click Publish. And then let me zoom in so that you can see that QR code. There we go. Feel free to scan this QR code and test it on your end. I hope you learned a little bit about camera scenes and how you can use the features that a camera scene has. And we will see you next time.